Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. So today's unboxing is a Stitch Fix. I didn't peek. I have no idea what's in this box. So if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you like my channel and me enough to hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and leave me a thumbs up. And if you're returning, thank you, thank you, thank you. I so appreciate it and love all you guys. So this box is kind of heavy and it was beautiful outside, so I have the door open. So there are some creatures in the background that I think I've got some owls and some birds cooing, so I apologize for that. So we have a bundle. It looks kind of basic. It's like a pair of blue jeans and just some basic colors. I really don't like the big wild prints or anything. And it looks like a pair of shoes or boots. And I love their new bags that they put them in. And then of course, we have the return bag, and the last couple fixes I have been returning, which could be good or could be bad. And with Stitch Fix, they send you a stylus note. I really don't read it. I read it after. I don't read it on camera. And they put the prices here, which I pretty much say for last. And the stylus note, she leaves you a note, and I have my same stylist. I've had Susie for quite a while. And then they also tell you how to style your outfit. So that kind of helps if you get some pieces and you're just not sure. And it's $20 to get a style box, and you can put that $20 towards anything that you purchase in the box. And I do have a link for $25 off, so you get $25 credit and I get $25 credit. So that's pretty cool. And I'm not sure if it's my last video or two videos ago, I have an app that you can get where you scan all your receipts and you get gift certificates. And one of the gift certificates is for Stitch Fix. So you can add up all your points and get Stitch Fix gift certificates for free, and get your gift certificates that way too. So that's kind of a cool way to get credit for Stitch Fix. So let's get into the bundle. I never know what day of the week it is, so I hope you guys are planning a fun weekend. I hope your snow and your chills have gone away. So the first top is by Fortune and Ivy in a size large. So it looks like she's mixing some summer pieces. She knows I live in Arizona, so sometimes, you know, I like a good sleeveless. So this is nice. I'm not crazy about the big flowers on the front because I'm kind of chesty, and sometimes these make it even stand out more than I wanted to. But I'll try it on, because when you try on clothes, it's a totally different thing. And then this piece is like a little thicker. It's by Billy T, and it's a black like shirt, but it's really thick, and it looks like I would have to iron this if I kept it. So it's really nice looking, you know, to wear with jeans or white pants. But I'd be afraid of, I do have one of those steamer things. I've got the big one, and then I've got the small one, but I don't know about these wrinkles. But again, you have to try things on. And I'll go over all the pricing at the end, because I don't like to scare myself. And then we have a gray top. It's kind of cute. It's got like copper. Can you see the copper buttons? Definitely my style. And it's got this little lace You can see that little lace. Looks like it could be a 3/4 sleeve by the time I try it on. But I kind of like this. And this is by Mason & Bell in a size large. And I actually do like it. Most of my tops are like gray. So I'm kind of liking that. And then we have a pair of jeans by Studio Blue. Now, since I've been home and, you know, kind of staying in home because of this thing going around, I put on the pounds. I mean, my belly is just, it's off the charts. So I might have to go up sizes in jeans. And these are a 29. They're just basic. They have a little stretchy up here, but they're just basic boot cut jeans. So they're again by Studio Blue. So they're just basic. So it's just a matter if I can wear them. So the pieces are very nice. They're just very basic, plain pieces. So let's see what's in this bag. Oh, they're boots. I can't tell what color they are. They're 7.5, so they're my size. But look at the detailing on them. I probably have boots exactly like these, but these are really pretty. And they're kind of like a suede, a perfect size heel for me. I have to look at the sheet to see what colors, because they look like a brown. But they have like an olive kind of glow. But those are pretty cool. But I know if I looked in my closet, I'd have something pretty similar. So I'm gonna go do a try on and I'll be right back. Okay, I have the first outfit on and I'm gonna lower you. I love the top, except it's too tight around the belly. Now I could wear like some Spanx or something and it might look better. So I am wearing the, looks like the Mason & Blake Melanie Henley knit top in gray, and then the Studio Blue bootcut jeans, and then I have the booties on in dark gray. I just couldn't get the one zipper zip, so I didn't want to pull on it too hard. So I'm going to show you. So first, if I can get you in there. The sun isn't blocking it. So this is the details on the top, and this is the details on the sleeve. So I do like it, except this part around here just isn't working for me. So let me turn you a little bit. I have tree branch in my hair. So I do kind of like it. It's very soft and comfortable. Except I feel it's just the muffin top. And then these are the jeans and they are so comfortable. So I guess I have to lower you even more. And I'll have to edit this to make sure that you can see the jeans. They just fit really nice. They're just a plain jean, which is perfect. I think they fit nice in the back. And then I will show you, see if I can lower you even more. Okay, so I don't know if I shut off the camera or not. So I'm gonna turn you down. So these are the jeans. And I really like them. They're soft. They're a great length. And then these are the boots. As I said, they have that nice design on them. but I'm pretty sure I have boots kind of like this. So I like the outfit, but I'm not sure about this top. So I'll be right back with the next top. Okay, so I am back with this black top. It is by Bronwyn and Tencel, and it's a button-down top in black in a large, but I feel it's too short. It's nice. It's got the pockets. It's got this nice sleeve. But I'm gonna lower you here. It's just too short here. And depending on the washing instructions, it could shrink, and chances are it would wrinkle, and I would not be pleased that I kept this. But you know, you don't know till you try it on. So I will be back with the flower top. So give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back with the last top. It's the Fortune and Ivy Kaiser split neck top, and they're calling this navy. So we all know that the split necks seem to never be going out of style. And as I said, I'm afraid of the flowers just making me look big. But it is cute, and it would go with cardigans, or in our weather, it would go just by itself. I still have on those same jeans that I got. I'm just trying to see if they're gonna stretch out, how they fit. But this is a cute top. I mean, the sides fit nice. I don't have to change bras or anything. So it is kind of cute. See if I can back up a little bit. So it comes, you know, perfect for the jeans. I have to stop saying It's either or so that I say a lot. If I had $1 for every time that I said that, I'd be a millionaire. So let's go do the recap. Okay, what'd you think of that fix? It was just, I don't know. I think I'm gaining too much weight, so I'm trying to blame it on the clothes. I am probably going to keep these jeans. They're plain, they're basic. I love them, and they fit, and they're just a comfortable pair of jeans, especially for around here. We have all sorts of things coming up where we're gonna be on the side-by-side or the bike, so they'll be perfect for that. So since I'm kind of outgrowing my other ones, so the jeans are, I can find them. The Studio Blue jeans are $60, which is really kind of cheap for a pair of Stitchfix jeans. This top, which was cute, they're calling it navy, was $38, which is average for one of their tops. And this black top, it did not make sense for me because it was too short, and unless those wrinkles iron themselves, I couldn't wear it. And so that top was $64, and there's no way, and as I said, unless it ironed itself. And I really liked this gray top, but unless I could get my belly flat in the next couple days, it wouldn't work for me. And this top was $40, so it wasn't a bad top. And those boots, which I really don't need. I've got about 8 or 9 pair of those style boots. They were $95, which is not bad. So if I bought everything, it would be $297 for 5 pieces, including the boots. And then you get the buy all discount of 5 pieces, which would be $74.25, which brings it down to $222.75, which is still not for me. So I think I am going to just keep the jeans. So let me know what you think, if I did the right thing. So because I'm on the Style Pass, oh, and this was Stitch 86 for me. And I have bought quite a few, you know, the buy 5 all. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you liked it and subscribe. And I'll see you next time.